Alright, you guys, welcome back to my show. Today I went to Walmart by my house again. I found the Fast and Furious Nissan Skyline again. Because I sold the previous one. I guess I don't know why I did. So basically this case is finished for me already. I already finished this one. Into the next one. Name, Fast and Furious Nissan Skyline, Truck Type City, Strength, Furious Fighter, Crash Type, Revy, Set, Go. So, I already have all these, so I don't have to worry. Without further ado, not much to say, the render. Okay, guys. Ooh, okay. Here's the grade's really neat. Fix myself. The grade's really nice on this. The chrome rims and bead locks. The blue stripes are cool. Headlight printing, grill printing. Little Nissan logo right there. Orange lights. License plate. The blue streaks are pretty cool. Taillight printing. Too Fast, Too Furious 03, it says right here in the back. Which is cool. Hot Wheels. Has a Nissan logo. So detailed. Black roll cage, silver chassis. So that's all I got today. No, I have one more from Target. I got a special one, guys. Well, not special, but you know what I mean. Like, subscribe, comment, share, you can, guys. One more unboxing right now. Peace out.